Hi, today I'm sharing a video how to change the speed sensor on my van. ESC off and ABS lights are on. I took a car to the AutoZone. They plugged a device and print out this form from me. Error code P0501, that's the main one, and under that there are multiple subset of the error codes. Van right side speed sensor is not working, so I'm going to replace that one. I already secured the van with the jack stand and the jack and going to remove the tire. Speed sensor located behind the router, and this is the line need to be replaced. I already sprayed WD-40 and do it again for a couple of more times and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. While taking out the sensor, if that break, I do not have any problem, but I want to secure the bolt. Generally, bolts on the speed sensor are not very strong, so WD-40 help to loosen the bolt. It will come out easily. Socket number 10 I am using to remove the bolt. Take a screwdriver and remove the sensor. As I mentioned earlier, it break easily and it broke. I'm not worried it broke because I'm going to replace a new one. It will take a lot of effort to remove the sensor. Now next, these two bolts need to be removed. You can also take a picture before removing it, so you can place it back in the right direction. For this bolt, I am again using the socket 10 to remove it. For other bolt, I will use socket number 12 to remove it. You know how to remove, so I will skip this part. There are multiple screws like this on the mud guard, so remove all of them. There are few rivets and screws under there as well. I already removed it. I pull it back and will change the line now. I am using this tool to remove the clip, but if you do not have this one, you can use two straight screwdriver to remove the clip. Press this clip down and pull apart. It will be removed from the main cable. There are two other white clips. First is this one and second one is behind the light. I will show you in few seconds. Those need to be removed as well. Use a nose pliers or a screwdriver to remove this one. If the clips broke, still okay because the new line come with two clips. I bought off-market sensor. It is Duralast. It cost around $72. Plug the new sensor in the clip. There is a small hook which will go in a hole, and after that put the bolt on it. I am using socket number 12 to screw the bolt. Other side will go down, clip will be facing downside. I will use the 8 mm socket to secure the bolt. Now push the speed sensor in. It will take a lot of effort to go in. It's not easy. If the speed sensor does not go inside, I do not recommend this idea, but you can use the nose plier, place on both edges and slightly tap it. Gentle tapping will help to push the sensor in. Put the mud flaps back and secure it with the rivets. You're gonna use the same plastic rivets which has been removed earlier. I secured each and everything. Now going to place the wheel back. I am turning the car on. ESC off and ABS signs are off now. Engine light will go away after a few miles of drive. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up.